guys, welcome to Pokemon. I have card 3. Hold on a second. Okay, now. Sorry. So I bought this card from Walmart, new one. Hope you like it. Comment. Guys, kind of hard. That'd be easy. Huh. Use my 2 hands to open it. Dang. It's like I'm taking a scissors. This thing. Okay, this is hard to open. Gotta use my 2 hands. Dang, where's this come from? Damn! I open it. Yeah, now. Okay then. Now we can check. Okay. This one. Oh, damn. Wait. What? See, what? You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. This guy's like half Weasel. I don't know. Yeah, I got him. I have Emma. Mine Junior. Wow. They have a damage? Ooh. Nice Pokemon come? Oh my god. You never gonna believe this one. This one! 140. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy crap! This guy's brilliant. And I got this one. I'm so excited. I know. Okay. He's just done watching. Double full heal. Post some comments about this one? That's it. I mean, I thought it was gonna be a Lucario. Lucario is my favorite. What? Piece of crap. So, thanks for watching. I got my shiny card. I got my that glitter card. This is awesome. Like, that guy's supposed to be like level. Okay, I have this. Okay, got three water type Pokemon. Well, I keep buying. I can get fire type. I can get water type Pokemon, and and some of them. It's awesome. So thanks for watching. Bang bang.